Next, last previously three packing efficiency completed. First one is called simple cube. Second one is called body centered cube. Third one is called face centered cube. Simple cube is equal to A is equal to 4R edge length. Body centered means so B is equal to 4R edge length. Face centered also edge length is equal to 4R. Okay, no? So after that you can make a radius also there, edge length formula different is there. But today one tabular formula given. In the tabular formula, relation between the atomic radius small r and edge length small a of the unit cell, distance between the nearest neighbor distance is equal to d, neighboring distance. So distance between the nearest neighbors, that is equal to d. D is equal to 2r formula. Neighboring distance is equal to 2r. Okay. So what is the relations? This is a purely objective oriented. Above three diagrams completed means then you can use one idea about the radius or edge length or nearer neighboring distance. That is equal to d. First one I am taking as a simple cube. Simple cube means generally d is equal to neighboring distance is equal to 2 into radius. 2 into a by 2. Why? Because 2 into a by 2 means a is equal to 2r. Now a is equal to 2r, r is equal to a by 2. Here a is equal to 2 root 2r, r is equal to a by 2 root 2. Here r is equal to square root of 3a by 4. Now this is the relations. That's why d is equal to 2r, 2 into a by 2, that is equal to a. Neighboring distance is equal to edge length for simple cube. Edge length or neighboring distance both are same in a simple cube. Next one, face center. 2 into a by 2 root 2 I am writing. Now d is equal to 2r. R plus what I am writing, a by 2 root 2. That is equal to a by square root 2. A by square root. 2 cancel, a by square root. Third one is body centered. Body centered means d is equal to r. R plus what is it? Square root of 3a by 4. Square root of 3a by 4. E2 cancel 2 times. That formula square root of 3a by 2. And neighboring distance, that is equal, d is equal to square root of 3a by 2. Neighboring distance required means what is required? Edge length required. Okay, na? Once you know the edge length, you have to calculate the distance between the nearest neighbors. So therefore this is the formula. Now simple cube, d is equal to a. Face centered, d is equal to a by square root 2. Body centered means d is equal to square root of 3a by 2. Okay, na? That's why next one is a is equal to r is equal to a by 2. A is equal to 2 root 2 r is equal to a by 2 root 2. A is equal to 4r by square root 3, r is equal to square root of 3a by 4. Okay, na? Now, radius you know. Radius you know means edge length you know. Here distance, neighboring distance required means edge length. Here edge length is equal to 2r. A is equal to 2 root 2r. A is equal to 4r by root. Once you know radius, you can calculate the edge length for simple cube, body centered, face centered. Okay, now. Now, suppose radius required means edge length. Diameter required means edge length. Once you know the edge length means you can calculate the neighboring distance, you can calculate the radius. Once you know the radius means then only you have to calculate the edge length. Once you know the R value, so automatically you have to calculate the edge length, that is. Okay na? That's why R is equal to A by 2 root 2, R is equal to A by 2, R is equal to 3A by 2. This is equal to edge length. Edge length you know radius. Now here, radius you know means edge length. Automatically you can formula. Above what is the formula you are writing? Every cubic units are having edge length formula is there. A is equal to R, A is equal to 4R like that. Okay na? Once you know the R value, you can substitute that one, automatically calculate the edge length. Now, in this 3 column, what is it? Relation between the atomic radius small r and edge length A and the distance between the nearest neighbor small d. This is called relation. In objective law, simple r or primitive unit cell. A second one is called face centered. Face centered other name is called HCP. Other name is called CPC, CCP. Or simple cube means primitive unit cell. Primitive or simple cube. Body centered means BCC. Whatever the asking means, you are ready to calculate the edge length or radius or so distance between the neighboring. Okay na? This is a very very important. Once you know perfect in that 3 derivation, object will become very easy. Otherwise very problematic. Formulas very important. Like after the simple cubic, how much percentage? 52.4%. Face centered means 74%. Body centered means 68%. This is equal to packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. Before what I am writing packing efficiency, FCC greater than BCC greater than simple cube. That is equal 74%. 68%, 52.4%. Next. When empty space asking, suppose empty space means what is the order of this? Simple greater than, BCC greater than, FCC. Simple means how much percentage? 47.6%. Body centered means 32%. FCC means 26%. This is equal to empty space. Okay, packing efficiency means occupied by the particles. Empty space means 100 minus that percentage is equal to remaining is nothing but empty space. Order of the pattern. The next. Suppose previously octahedral word. Octahedral word means how many spheres? 6 spheres. Tetrahedral word means how many spheres? 3 spheres covered with other sphere, that is called 4 spheres. Tetrahedral word is equal to, for CCP is equal to 4. Octahedral word means 4. Tetrahedral word means 8. For SCP, how many number of octahedral words? 6. How many number of tetrahedral words? 12. NO, 2NO, 3NO. Total number of N. So before class already doing the problems based on the voids. So first once you can know octahedral word. Suppose R is equal to 0.414 R in there. Previously the limiting radius ratio are there. Once you know the radius range, you can predict the coordination number. Once you verify the previous study. That is purely objective, but PUC syllabus not there. That's why in objective, suppose octahedral word is equal to means when the radius of the sphere given, capital R, radius of the sphere means we can calculate the radius of this one. Okay, for the octahedral word radius of the calculate 0.414 into R. Tetrahedral word is equal to R is equal to 0.225 R. Cubic is equal to 0.73 R. Where R is equal to radius of the sphere. Once you can know radius, that is equal to atomic radius, small r, one can be predicted. using the formulas. Once you know the radius of the sphere, we can predict the octahedral void radius, tetrahedral void radius, cubic radius, atomic radius. So octahedral void atomic radius, tetrahedral void atomic radius, cubic atomic radius smaller is equal to, this is simplest ratio, 0.414 into R, 0.225 into R, 0.73 into R, where capital R is equal to radius of the sphere, when a small r is equal to atomic radius for different voids, that is nothing but octahedral voids, tetrahedral voids, and also cubic voids. So this is the very simplest. Once you know the radius of the sphere, you can predict the atomic radius for using the octa, tetra, or in a simple. Okay, now. So this is the packing efficiency total compared with objective. So once you know these formulas, automatically you have to play with the every objective problem so using this formula. Next, this is the very simplest. Calculate the atomic radius using the radius of the sphere. Okay, now? Thank you. So